Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This channel was actually made to coexist with the blog Betterdayweb, where we usually and mostly talk about beauty, we talk about health and DIYs, we do a bit of those too, and once in a while we also make some food together. So if that's something you would like to see, if you would like to see some lifestyle, not just blogging but also YouTube videos, then join the family, subscribe, go watch some videos, like or dislike if that's what you feel like doing. As long as you feel at home, then you're welcome to stay here. So I really hope you'll stay with me, and that's what this channel is about. So stick with me for a while and we'll have a lot of fun, I promise you. So I just hope you all have a happy life, one day at a time.